Tell me about Edinburgh.
Well, at first I had a problem with the language. People here speak with a Scottish accent, and they also use some different words.
Different words. For example?
For example, they don't say little, they say wee, a wee boy, a wee drink, things like that.
Was the weather a problem?
Not really. Well, people told me that it rained a lot in Scotland. But in fact, it doesn't rain very much. I read the other day that it rains more in Paris than Edinburgh. But it is very windy, and I didn't expect that. And people talk about the weather all the time.
What about the food?
Well, I love Scotland, but I don't think the diet is very healthy. My Scottish friends eat a lot of chocolate bars, biscuits, things like that. They don't eat much fruit or vegetables.
What about the whiskey? Do you like it?
Well, my friends say the whiskey is fantastic, and there are many different kinds. In some pubs, they have special whiskey menus. But unfortunately, I don't like whiskey. I only drink wine.
Would you like to stay in Scotland when you finish university?
I don't know yet. It depends if I can find a good job here.